Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cranberry puree. I use this a lot for my macarons and other desserts. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this recipe you can use fresh cranberries or frozen, it really doesn't matter. Remove them from the package and place into sieve. Just check with your fingers if you have any brown cranberries or some broken cranberries, just remove them. Rinse with cold water and place them in a small saucepan. Simmer cranberries over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. They need to release juice and some skin should be broken. Use hand blender or food processor to make puree. I highly recommend to cover saucepan with a kitchen towel. The whole process of making homemade cranberry puree doesn't take too long, just a few minutes. And this is consistency we're looking. Using mixing bowl, strain puree through sieve with help of spatula. Move spatula fast and pressing down. Just look at this cranberry puree. It's very smooth and you can use in your desserts. If you like my video, subscribe, hit like and follow for more recipes. Thank you for watching.